This is a sneak preview of the People's Choice Accounting Free Forever version that's going to be released soon by Safe Choice Inc. You will be able to find out more information very soon at the website www.safechoice.com. The free version is an after-the-fact payroll or after-the-fact bookkeeping and accounting system that it can accommodate unlimited number of bank accounts, and actually you can create unlimited number of companies at this stage. You can easily upgrade to the paid versions, but this version does not expire and can be a good starting point for a new business startup or a hobby business, or it can be used by youth projects for whether it be the Boy Scouts, Girl Scouts, Youth Junior Achievement, school projects, church projects, a variety of things where you need to have a good bookkeeping system, but it doesn't cost anything to use. So a little bit of an overview of this is it's basically structured where you have banking and you can set up multiple unlimited number of bank accounts. Also have set it up for PayPal or for credit cards. And once you've set up the bank account, you can put in the bank account number, everything that you need to manage. You can track 3 different sets of check numbers. Obviously, you can maintain your bank balance. It's connected to a general ledger, and you can do bank reconciliations. The paid versions, you can upgrade to where you can actually print checks, and the checks can be also set up where you can set up your own Micker check and print to blank check stocks. And that would be available in the paid versions. As you're managing the bank accounts or checking accounts, you go into your banking journals, and here's where you can access your different bank accounts, show your bank balance. You can scroll and see all the checks that have been generated, and you can enter new checks into the system here and expense them to the general ledger. And the general ledger can be set up as a GAAP compliant general ledger system that complies with the balance sheet and income statement rules used by the general accepted accounting principles, should you choose to use the accounting portion. Now, the accounting module is covered here. You can go and do journal entries. You can create your own custom chart of accounts. You can look at the general ledger from specific accounts. There's a variety of reports that are generated by the accounting module. Some of the instruction will include how to use the free version as a bookkeeping system, and others to use it as a complete general ledger system that has the financial periods that you close each month and lock out the years, and have they can be set up as a calendar year or as a fiscal year. Here's in the accounting system, you can do journal entries, but this is not required if you're going to be just using it as a cash flow system, as a bookkeeping system. And we're going to be offering different implementation strategies for using the free demo, whether you want it to be a comprehensive GAAP compliant accounting system or you just want it to be a checkbook based bookkeeping system. The reports that are available are the banking reports and accounting reports. In the banking reports, your bank account activity, you can do a cash receipts, checks by GL distribution. There's tracking your deposits, and there's also a feature in there that's available to use when you get if you're going to upgrade to the printed checks or the positive pay. It's a service provided through many banks that basically track all of the checks that are generated, so to prevent somebody hacking your checking account. So those are the reports available in banking. In the accounting, you of course have the balance sheet, and you can set up a complete budget and do a budget versus actual in the system. So if you're a new startup business, I was looking at the SCORE web sheet or template web spreadsheet that's used for startup businesses for projecting. Well, once that particular spreadsheet's filled out, you could bring it into here and create a budget, and so you could be monitoring the success of your business via the budget versus actual reports. And of course, you have the income statement and trial balance and other reports that are good for auditing of your general ledger activity. So that's what the free version is centered around. To get to upgrade to a paid version, that would provide check writing. It can provide accounts receivable management through invoicing, quotes, sales orders, purchase orders, accounts payable management, entering in individual supplier or vendor bills, and paying multiple bills with one check. There's an inventory feature available. You can have a perpetual inventory, but the free forever version is a perfect starter for getting your business launched off the ground. So please feel free to respond to this by sending an email to support@safechoice.com, or you can send it to Roger, myself, at safechoice.com if you would like to explore a little bit more about this new free forever version of People's Choice Accounting.